each type has attributes. So we're going to zoom in now on the person attribute, and of the many attributes that a person has on Facebook, we're just going to talk about a few of them. A person has a name, a person has an address, a person has a hometown, a person has a birthday, a person has a sex, and lots of other stuff. So can you see the idea? We say that on Facebook we care about people, and each person has these set of attributes and any others that we define. So first we create a type called people, or people, and then we create the attributes of each of the people. I showed you a very simple view of the attributes. Let's look at least one more level of complexity, and you can see that, for example, name. Does a person have a name? Well, a person really actually has a first and a last name. And then if you think about it, well, of all the billion people on Facebook, is that really how it works? First name, last name? You know for sure that there's lots of cultures that don't go first name, last name, that have a different model for names. And notice that word model. The culture has a model for names, and Facebook needs to obey that, the different cultural models. So the name is not only could be modeled just as name if we want to keep it really simple, but the reality of it is that it's far more complex, and will at least have first and last name, but probably will have a lot of other sub-attributes. So the attribute is name, and it's broken down into all sorts of sub-attributes. Similarly, the address has all sorts of, can have all sorts of complexity to it too. So you can see that this idea of attributes, while I'm presenting it very simply, gets complex really quickly. So types, attributes, and the attributes, I'm going to present them simply, but you should keep in the back of your mind that in reality, in the real world, those attributes can be very complex.